every event poster is competing for attention. If people don't stop scrolling, then the event may as well not exist. Welcome back to Pixel Perfect. I'm Seth from the Pikto team. In this episode, we're creating an event poster using Pikto. You can either start with AI or use one of our professionally designed templates. Then we'll talk through the design principles that actually make people stop and look. Here we are currently in Piktochart, we're in the dashboard, and there are two options here. If you already know the vibe that you are going for, then feel free to use AI. So you can use Pikto AI, right here it's loading up. So if you would like to use AI and you already know the vibe you're going for, you can just type in your prompt here, which includes when, where, what, and any visual references that you want in the poster. If you'd rather have complete control from the start, you can use one of our AI templates in all of our templates here. So as you can see here, I have searched up watch party, because what we're going to do today is we are going to create an event poster for a World Cup final watch party. So all you have to do really right now is search for the template that you want, and this is a night party sort of template which I think could work for what I'm going to do, so I'm going to edit this template. Okay, so the biggest mistake people make when designing event posters is they try to make every single thing important. Pick one thing, and usually that's the event time. When someone walks past your poster, they want to know what the event is within a second. So I'm just going to start tweaking this graphic to make sure it is exactly for my World Cup watch party. So at the top, we're just going to have France versus Spain World Cup 2026. And then this piece of text here, this isn't really like anything, it's more of an accent. So I'm just going to put World Cup final, and then we're going to copy and paste that over. Okay, and there you go. We have our World Cup final. Put a spacing here, okay. And there you go. World Cup final, and then watch party. Okay, so now we know it's a World Cup final watch party. So next thing, we are going to just remove all this because we are doing a watch party. We are not doing anything. So let's just say our location is a fictional place called Genesis Bar. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to change the promo to something that's relevant. So free nacho platter for first 50. This one we gotta change back to white. And now let's just put in a RSVP number. So 9001, 9002. It is fictional. We know what this is. It's a World Cup final watch party. We have a promo, and we have a number we can RSVP at. However, this does not smell World Cup. So let's change this with an image that I have. So what we want to do now is, this is a DJ and it does not scream World Cup final watch party. So what we're going to do is we are just going to get rid of him. And what I have here is this image that I had prompted with AI tools, image generator, and GPT image 2. So you can use GPT image 2 in the editor to essentially make whatever visual that you want. Now, we have a couple of options here. So number one, what we can try to do is we can fit them inside here. So all we'll do is we'll take this image and then we will remove the background. Okay, so right here we have the background removed. Let's just go back, and we have the two of these guys, Lamine Yamal and Messi, fully removed from the background. However, I don't think this is a good look, and I'm not a fan of the blue background. So what we'll do instead is we will make that image the whole thing. So you can just go to your uploads. There you are. You know, make sure this fits the entire frame. so, and then we just send it to the back, right? And then now what we want to do is we want to make sure that the opacity is down slightly, right? And then we can change this to black to make sure there's some visibility. Let's move this down slightly so that it has some space to breathe. All of this goes down slightly. And just like that, we have our World Cup watch party poster. And I think it's very, very straightforward. It does the job. You have a nice animated photo of Lamine Yamal and Messi in there. Watch party, where, how you can RSVP, a little promo, and what time. That's really all you need. You don't need a million things on a watch party event poster. And that's how you can create an event poster using Pikto. Sometimes you don't need AI, you just need a template and then you need to make your own tweaks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.